Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. My name is Khushbu and I welcome you back on this virtual platform. So, let's quickly revise what we have done yesterday. Basically, this story is of three brothers, Tanyan, Zoshu and Penhan. Tanyan was hardworking, Zoshu and Penhan were lazy and selfish. As you wish, dear Zoshu, said Tanyan. That day at breakfast, Zoshu pretended to be loving and caring. So, Tanyan agreed, as he thought might be his brother has realized his responsibilities. Underline pretended and write acted, as it means to behave as to make it appear that something is the case when in fact it is not. Like here, Zoshu acted to be loving and caring, but actually he was not. Eat well, Penhen. Don't worry, I shall soon return rich. He then took leave of his brothers and started his journey. He was pretending to be loving and caring. So at breakfast also he was pretending with Penhan that he is very loving and caring. He took his leave means he said goodbye to his brothers and started his journey. Now underline journey and write travel from one place to another. See, if you are not having enough space in your book, you can write it any of the rough notebook also, or it down in your book, like you can write it here. He kept walking throughout the day. By late evening, hungry and tired, he reached another village. In earlier times, people were not having any motor vehicles like we are having nowadays. We can go any place within minutes. But earlier, people have to walk to reach from one place to another. So he was also walking, and by walking and walking and walking, he reached another village. And due to walking whole day, he was very tired and hungry also. Now underline throughout the day and write whole day. As from morning to evening, throughout the day he was traveling, means whole day he has travelled. He went up to a hut and knocked the door. An old woman answered, "Who is there?" "I am a traveller," Zoshu replied. "Can I stay here for a night?" See, he was traveling whole day. He was very much tired and hungry. So he needs some place for the rest. So he asked that woman that can he stay for the night at that place and take rest. Now underline traveller and write tourist. As traveller or tourist means a person who is traveling from one place to another. Only if you remove all the stars from the pool, said the old woman, pointing to a pool of water. See, Zoshu was tired a lot. He needs some rest. But the woman kept one condition of taking out the stars from the pool. Now underline remove and write take out. Oops! Joshu has to take out all the stars from the pool of water. See, you know the meaning of pointing also, as it means to point out. Like see in the picture, an old woman is pointing to the stars in pool of water. Joshu thought, how can I remove those stars? They are nothing but a reflection of the sky. Yes, he was absolutely right, because those stars were not real stars, they were just reflection of the sky to the pool of water. Now underline reflection and write an image on a shiny surface. So, water is a shiny surface. As if we also stand near the pool, we can see our reflection in it. So, it was just the reflection of sky only. Puzzled and exhausted, he returned home and said to his family, I couldn't find my fortune anywhere. Underline puzzled and write confused. So, the puzzled means confused, as he was confused a lot that how he can solve this condition of the lady. Now see, the meaning of exhausted is already given here, which means very tired. See, he was very much tired due to the walking whole day, and the women confused him also. So he don't know what to reply and how to remove the stars, and he came back to home and said to his brothers that he couldn't find his fortune anywhere. Next, Penhan decided to go and try his luck. Wandering, he also reached the old woman's hut and was asked to fish out the stars from the pool. So now it was Penhan who decided to go and try his luck and find the fortune for him. But he also kept on walking and reached the same old woman's hut. Now he was also given the same task by old woman, that he has to fish out, means take out the stars from the pool. Underline wandering and write travel aimlessly. Travel aimlessly means you are traveling but you don't actually know where you have to reach. How is that possible? He thought and returned back to home. Nowhere could I find my fortune, he said sadly, as he was also tired whole day traveling, and he also got confused like Joshu, and he returned back to his home. Now it was Tanen's turn. When he reached the old woman's hut, he was asked to perform the same task. So, Joshu came back, couldn't find the fortune. Penhan also came back and couldn't find the fortune. Now see the coincidence. Tannen also reached same place where these two reached, and the same task was given to all the brothers. Now whether Tannen will be able to perform the task, or he will also come back to home like his two brothers Joshu and Penhan. But for that you have to wait till tomorrow. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section for your attendance. Have a nice day.